Hi everyone, welcome to my latest Lightroom tutorial. Today we will learn to make the preset you can see on the screen. Here are some before and after pictures. If you would like the original preset file, you can download it for free by finding the password in this tutorial. Detailed instructions can be found in the description. Let's begin.
Open the light section. Contrast, plus 35. Highlights, minus 50. Shadows, plus 45. Whites, minus 35. Blacks, plus 50. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve this way. Make the following changes to the green curve. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the color section. Tint, minus 6. Vibrance, minus 10. Saturation, plus 15. Open color mix. Red hue, plus 14. Saturation, minus 75. Orange hue, plus 9. Saturation, minus 30. Luminance, plus 12. Yellow. Saturation, minus 75. Luminance, plus 20. Green. Hue, minus 11. Saturation, minus 19. Luminance, plus 17. Aqua. Hue, minus 31. Luminance, plus 8. Blue. Hue, minus 14. Saturation, plus 18. Purple. Hue, minus 11. Saturation, plus 11. Luminance, minus 10. Magenta. Hue, minus 12. Saturation, plus 7. Luminance, -14. Open the color grading section. Let's edit the shadows. Hue, +207. Saturation, +49. Luminance, +7. Move to midtones. Hue, +20. Saturation, +36. Luminance, -8. Change the highlights. Hue, +115. Saturation, +37. Luminance, +2. Blending, +55. Balance, +5. Edit global. Hue, +176. Saturation, +14. Open the Effects section. Clarity, -25. Dehaze, +30. Vignette amount, -14. Midpoint, +66. Feather, +87. Grain, +20. Open Optics and tick Remove CA.
And we're finished. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.